Printing the pattern. Before you begin, print all pattern pages at actual size /100%. Do not select Fit to Page. Check the test square on the pattern to make sure your print size is correct. Assembling multi-page pattern pieces. Some pattern pieces are too large to fit on one page and are split into multiple parts, such as 3A and 3B. Cut out all pattern pieces, including the shaded glue areas marked Glue Here. Use the assembly diagram to identify the matching pieces. Carefully align the edges and place the next piece on top of the shaded glue area. Make sure all lines match exactly, then glue or tape the pages together. Once assembled, your pattern piece is ready to use. Each pattern piece includes information about which material to use and how many pieces need to be cut. Pre-wash and dry your fabric, or press with steam, depending on the fabric, to pre-shrink it. This helps prevent your finished item from shrinking or warping after the first wash. Finding the fabric grain line. To find the fabric grain line, first look for the selvage edge. The grain line runs parallel to the selvage. If the selvage has been removed, gently stretch the fabric in different directions. The direction with the least stretch is the grain line. Planning the fabric layout. Before cutting the pieces, arrange the pattern pieces on the fabric according to the layout diagram to make sure you have enough fabric for all required pieces. Positioning the pattern pieces. Place the fabric with the wrong side facing up. Position the pattern piece so the grain line marked on the pattern runs parallel to the grain line of the fabric. Tracing and cutting the fabric. Trace around the pattern using a fabric marker or tailor's chalk, then cut out the fabric pieces. Seam allowances are already included in the pattern. Cutting fusible fleece and interfacing. For fusible fleece or interfacing, identify the glue side before cutting. Place the pattern on the non-glue side and cut out all required pieces. Preparing the quilted panel. To prepare the quilted panel, first measure and cut the outer fabric to the size listed in the tutorial. Place the finished fabric piece on top of the batting or polyester batting and cut the batting to the exact same size. Quilt the panel using your preferred quilting design. Do not trim the quilted panel yet. Finally, place the printed panel template on top of the finished quilted piece and cut the front or back panel to shape using the template. Final tips for beginners. Take your time and work step by step. Accuracy is more important than speed. Even if you are new to sewing, you can do this. With each project, your skills and confidence will grow.